was watching ARCANE on Netflix and I noticed a beautiful dance scene between Ekko and Jinx here. So I'm going to show you a little trick how to make it similar like this. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. Let us use this dance footage. Go to composition, setting on composition. On the frame rate, it say 30. And now we are going to change it to 8 and then click OK. And here's the result. If you don't think this is not similar enough like the scenes, you can customize it. Go back to composition setting and let's change it to 5. Okay, I think this one is better. This could be applied to any footage of your choice to make it like this one specific scene. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!